upside down.
Go ahead on up.
Ah, the wind! I knew that was going to happen.
Man, you didn't catch your face shit.
See, the wind took you over.
I know.
Get away.
Too windy.
Let's go see the finish of the product over here.
I don't even want to look at it, man. I'm mad.
Damn.
Is it still running? It's some bullshit, right? I try to get it out the trees.
It's all good. Damn.
I killed you. Damn! Head's gone. Blade's done.
Damn.
Gas messed up.
There you go.
It blades. When I saw him go into the trees,
Yeah.
I said either I could down him or let him go in the trees. Damn! Where the kids go?
Oh, shit.
Should have went out that way.
Yeah. Oh, here go one.
It broke.
Man, that shit hit hard too.
Bro.
That shit was
Yeah.
like,
That's
dude.
like, bam.
Damn!
Hey, hold that piece up, Abdul. What part is that?
This is the skids. This is part of the engine shroud, the fan shroud.
What's that?
I see the broken tail.
Yeah.
Dang.
The whole plastic tail. Here, hold this stuff. The whole tail. Blade's gone, linkage is broke. I'm pretty sure that the main shaft is bent.
You broke the piece.
Yeah, I crashed it.
You dead.
I crashed
Dang.
it.
Helicopter.
You see that, Shotty?
He broke the helicopter. You broke like $100 million helicopter.
Let's take it out so we get a good look at the carnage. Carnage at Fairmount Park. Dang.
Until next time.
Next time, you need to hold.